Hi. So in previous video we learned about the functions. Now we are going to understand the scope of variable in and outside the function. So let's take an example. I create a function display, and it is consoling out data. So if I have created a variable data hello world, and then I invoke this display function. So will it display data? So in that case, it returned hello world. What if I specify the same name var data and provide the value hello from function? In that case, will it write hello world or hello from function? In that case, it will write hello from function. So which means the variable which has been scoped within the function, it overrides the variable value which has been specified at the global level. So in this way the scope of the function has been specified. And to have a proper understanding, what we can do, we can take another example in which we can call the function nodes, and in here I'll call display function. I'm invoking a display function. I'll just comment out this display, and what I'll do, I'll just type some, create a variable data, and this will be hello from nodes function, and then I want to invoke the display. So what it will do in this case? In this case, also the variable specified within the display function will override, and it will not accept this particular variable value. It will, the scope of this data variable will override the value specified in this particular data variable. Just to verify, we'll call nodes function and simulate the results. See, we hello from function, so it's not the nodes function. So this is how we can say, like, the scope of the function can be classified. What if we invoke the function inside the function? What will be the scope? Let's check that one. Function tweet data. I'm going to accept two arguments, a comma b, and inside this I'm just creating another function, addition, which is also accepting two arguments, a comma b, and it is going to return a plus b, and this function will be invoked inside the tweet data. So I'm going to return addition a comma b. Now if I console out, console dot log, and I have a tweet data, and I'll provide two arguments, 5 comma 9. Then it gives the value 14. What if the function defined within this tweet data I try to invoke outside? What will happen? It should give an error because the scope is not defined in outside. So I'll just do this and try to invoke. So I got an error. So this is how our function is structured. This scope of addition is inside the tweet data. It's not outside the data, and I'm trying to invoke the function outside the data. So that's the challenge. So this is how we scope out the function. Thank you.